Rode microphone to record this video because the audio does suck. Hello everyone. First thing I want to do is say hello to everybody. This is my first video in almost a year and a half. So I want to say hello to all of my old time, loyal, genuine ride and die viewers. And I want to say hello to all of my new viewers if you are still around. I'm going to always check in with you guys. I'm definitely going to be uploading on a more consistent basis. Baby steps. Hey guys, I'm going to take you through a timeline of events. First, I want to say that I did not plan on sharing any of this information with you guys. I wasn't planning to upload this to YouTube. I didn't even know this was going to happen to me. If I had known that things would progress to this level, I would have done a more thorough job documenting it. So most of the footage is filmed in my car because I was either going to the gym or coming home from the gym. So I'm looking real busted in a lot of the footage. So I look crazy. These are personal video diaries for myself, not for me to share, okay? So now, where do I begin? This whole balding, losing my edges debacle came out of nowhere. It all happened so suddenly. I have a few grays around my edges, so I just wanted to try to cover my edges a little bit. Didn't want to go all out, didn't want to dye my entire head. Now, I have been using BIGEN for like the past year and a half. I had no problems, never had an issue with BIGEN. I've used it, like I said, several times before. Just for my edges, nothing else. I don't put it all over my hair. Thank God I didn't put it all over my hair. I would have been completely bald. But anyway, I did my normal routine. I just put it around the edges, waited, I think 20, 30 minutes, then rinse. So one of my subscribers mentioned from my other channel, which by the way, I do have two channels. It's a very long story about that. I created the channel in 2012. Some of my longtime viewers knows all about that story. On my other channel, she mentioned that the YouTuber that I uploaded the tutorial about, I believe her name was Lakinda, she mentioned that there were commenters saying that there was issues with the product. So I started doing some research. I was never motivated to research this issue before because I never had an issue with BIGEN, but I really believe they changed the formula. So after doing some research, I came across some things, but this is the correspondence I had with my subscriber. I understand you definitely have an audience with us, and I will continue to watch and learn from your videos. One last thing, I just wanted to say that I watched the BIGEN tutorial you shared. In the comment section, someone noted that the product is causing serious damage to folks' hair and head. There is also a lawsuit, plus the person mentioned it's banned, I believe overseas. I didn't get the quote verbatim, but you will see if you go back and read it. I hope you look into it. And I mentioned, no, I didn't read her comment section, but I definitely will take a look. That's crazy.
Review. I want you to read some of the product reviews, and there's a lot of situations, case studies, where people have been using it. First time they used it, it was okay. Next time they use it, some clients been coming in, they had an irritation on the face and the scalp. One lady's clients, her whole face blew up. Not blew up literally, but just got very swole.
By August 29th, my hair appeared normal, no problems, no issues. I wore 2 ponytails. My edges are fine. My hair is fine, my edges are fine. Everything's fine, right? Now it's September 6th, and I'm starting to notice there's something different about my edges. They appear thin. Hair is just coming out of my hands for no reason. My scalp was tingly, it was scabby, it was pussy. It's as if I had some type of allergic reaction. Like, what happened? Why is my hair acting like this? I'm just analyzing, examining what's going on with my hair. It's September 28th. Looking at my edges gave me a lot of anxiety. So by the time I decided to look at them, I was shocked by how things had accelerated so quickly. My hair wasn't thinning. My hair was gone. It was bald. It happened on both sides of my head, the right side and the left side. Both of my edges on both sides was gone. I was still looking into disbelief, like, is this this is my edges? Like, what? So now it's October 6th. I decided to go and get me some vitamins. And there had to be another issue aside from just applying the hair dye. It had to be something internal because, to be honest with you, I haven't taken vitamins since November 2017. I started taking vitamins consistently for 3 months. I took these vitamins every single day, which was a chore, honey. I absolutely hate taking pills. I hate taking pills. And these are not tiny pills. They're pretty big pills, okay? I had to remember to take pills every day. I had to remind myself every day, but for the sake of my health and, of course, for my hair, I started taking these vitamins. If you could prevent hair loss, try to do that by taking your vitamins or eating a balanced meal. Now it's October 12th, and this bald spot keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I'm starting to panic. It just keeps expanding. Now we're fast forwarding 3 months. Now during this 3-month period, I didn't look at my edges, I didn't examine my hair, I didn't analyze it. I just took the vitamins, let them work its magic, and went on about my business. No, I didn't take a hair growth potion. I didn't take anything topical because I knew anything I put on top of my hair would not help. I needed to get the vitamins, the minerals. I was deficient in something, obviously, because I don't think hair dye would have affected my hair as badly as it did unless I just got a bad batch. And then 3 months later, I started to finally see subtle growth. It wasn't overwhelming growth. It took a very long time. My hair follicles were damaged, and they're still damaged. Whatever went down August 21st, it ruined the hair follicles. So now we're going to take a look at my edges and see what progress they made. So along with the good, you gotta share the bad, right? Like, I've had some really good hair days over the past couple years, and along with good hair days, I've had a lot of bad things happen to my hair as well, and I'm planning to share it all with you through video diaries. So don't worry, I want to come back with more. I have so much to share with you guys.